Okay, so I had asked on one of the Facebook F100 groups how we could change the wiper motor on this 1965 Ford F100. Now, one of the folks was kind enough to post up that there's basically this plate that the motor mounts to. Looks like it's held on only with 3 bolts. That's how you would separate it from the firewall, I guess, or under the cowling. And then you have to disconnect the wiper linkage. So you have your left wiper arm and then the right wiper arm right there. And the way it lays is, this is first, passenger side wiper is on top of that. And then there is this tiny little clip. It's right here. And this sits and holds them in place. And it just appears that you just kind of push and pry until it comes out. And then I guess when you go to put it back on, it's literally sliding it back on until it engages. So what I'm going to do now is loosen all 3 of the bolts. Technically the wiper motor is still connected through the wiring, but this looks like I'll be able to take it off and replace it with the new wiper motor, do the connections, and then it's just a reverse order to put it back in. It was also stated that it's much easier, obviously, when you have the gauge panel out, the radio is out, and the heater hose for the left, for the driver's side, is also off. Gives you plenty of room then. Okay, so now here's the wiper motor with the plate completely off. For whatever reason, we had 2 wires. Could be a power, could be ground, don't know yet, that were disconnected. And then it appears to be 2 other wires, blue and a white. May not mean anything color-wise. That's still connected somewhere into the harness. Don't know where those are going, but I'm pretty sure my friend will figure it out. He's kind of our wiring guru. And that's where it was sitting, right there. And you can't see the 3rd bolt hole because its insulation is over it. And then you just see the 2 wiper arms that were there.